Modern vehicle dashboards have gotten more and more complex. When replacing a factory stereo, you often need some sort of dash kit to make everything fit. It seems like they get more and more complicated every year, and a lot of times you're making some sort of compromise. Maybe that means losing a volume knob. Maybe that means the screen gets lowered way more than you'd ever want. Sometimes that even means replacing your factory climate controls completely. These kits can add significant cost to your install budget, and there are plenty of vehicles that don't even have any solutions. At Crutchfield, we hate seeing the dreaded radio replacement not available note on a vehicle. That's why we're excited to share how Kenwood has teamed with iDatalink to create a line of stereo packages that use your car's existing dash trim and lets you keep the controls you're used to. Appropriately, they call this product line Direct Replacement, and it's a seamless factory upgrade in the future of aftermarket stereo design. Most head units are designed with the screen attached to the front of the chassis, which means you can only put the screen wherever there happens to be enough room for the rest of the hardware. The direct replacement radios separate the touchscreen from the chassis, which means instead of redesigning the entire dash to accommodate a new receiver, the direct replacement screen will fit wherever the factory radio was located. Not only is it cleaner than most options available on the market, it makes installation possible in vehicles that it was never possible before. The separated chassis and screen work with iDatalink's APX kits, which use metal brackets and hardware to secure the Kenwood screen to the factory location, preserving the entire original dash. Then, the chassis can be installed wherever it makes sense in your vehicle, behind the touchscreen, off-center inside the dash, or even, with the help of an extension cable, in the kick panel. iDatalink's Maestro module acts as a translator between the new Kenwood stereo and your car, letting you keep all of your factory controls. So, why replace your factory stereo at all? Like everything in your car, the factory sound system is designed around providing just enough performance and features to get by, all while holding costs down. It works and sounds fine, but if you want the best audio or the latest features, factory just won't cut it. Is it worth the upgrade? Absolutely. Whether you want to improve your audio or get the latest navigation, music streaming, or phone integration applications, it all starts with replacing that factory stereo. Kenwood offers direct replacement packages with two screen sizes, 8-inch and 10-inch. They're high-definition monitors with responsive touchscreens, similar to what you would find on a smartphone. The 8-inch screen directly replaces 8-inch factory screens, mounting flush in the same opening. The 10-inch screen works as a floating display, replacing smaller factory screens, but still keeping your original dash. It even has its own little volume knob for added convenience. Once you're done, your new Kenwood stereo upgrade looks like it was installed at the factory. You'll get wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, plus wireless mirroring for many Android phones. CarPlay and Android Auto displays the apps most relevant to driving right on the screen while you keep your phone stashed away. You can split the screen for different views and organize your phone apps however you'd like. You can use your favorite navigation and streaming music services, as well as using voice control to interact with incoming phone calls or texts. You get 4 camera inputs, which gives you a nice sharp view of what's going on around you, all on the new screen. These cameras can be configured different ways, and you can switch between cameras straight from the touchscreen. Internally, Kenwood gives you a nice boost in power right off the bat, plus the ability to play high-res music files. Digital processing and a bunch of audio tools help you dial in the perfect sound. Like Kenwood's EQ system, which offers you a choice of quick and easy presets, a 13-band graphic EQ, and a very precise parametric EQ. Kenwood's crossover network is an impressive piece of audio engineering in of itself. Crossovers are essential for ensuring each speaker handles the frequencies it's designed for, kind of like keeping everyone in their lane on a busy highway. They optimize performance and make sure your tweeters handle the high frequencies, woofers tackle the mids, and subs manage the low-end rumble without missing a beat. Arguably the most useful audio enhancement, however, is digital time alignment. That lets you tell the Kenwood stereo the distance from your ears in the driver's seat to all the various speakers around you, and then the stereo adjusts the timing accordingly. The result is a more focused left-right stereo soundstage, like you're listening to stereo speakers at home. Now, tech support tells me that plug and play is a bad word around here. And to be fair, direct replacement packages aren't quite plug and play, but they're awful close. In the box, you'll get the new Kenwood radio, an iDatalink APX mounting kit specific to your vehicle, an iDatalink Maestro RR or RR2 interface module for communicating with the factory wiring, and a receiver-specific wiring harness. When you're ready to connect everything, just snap the harnesses together according to the included instructions. Speaking of tech support, don't worry. If you buy this or anything else from us, you have free lifetime access to our incredible tech support, who can answer any questions you have 7 days a week. Here at Crutchfield, we are stoked about this new line of product. Kenwood and iDatalink's direct replacement packages are a game changer for vehicle upgrades. With their innovative modular design and expanding compatibility, they're paving the way for seamless integration with more and more vehicles on the road. Got questions? We're here to help. Just give us a call. I'm Rodell. Thanks for watching.